How much is a cell phone and computer repair and service business worth? Last year, businesses in this category had an average earnings multiple of 1.93. Let me show you an example. If a business in this sector has earnings of $150,000, then its estimated value would be $150,000 multiplied by 1.93, giving us $289,500. Factors like technology changes, brand reputation, and location can significantly impact this business's multiple. With my help, my clients often get 25 to 30% more for their business than average. I'm Nate Lind, business broker. If you want maximum value for your business, I wrote the book on it. Contact me using the link in the description below.